Hey everybody, so I'm going to be joining you today to talk a little bit about GMB and what it means to be an employee at GMB. And I'm going to talk to you about projects I've worked on, the type of work that GMB does, and the experiences that I've had since joining the company about 2 years ago. So my name is Sawm. I'm a project and business development manager here at GMB. Upon joining, first week my experience was being right on site, and that was absolutely awesome. I got the chance to see what a mill is all about, how it runs, and of course get the chance to experience our equipment firsthand. GMB is a small team with a lot of talented and seasoned individuals that bring a lot of experience to the table. Walking in, we have individuals that have been with us for 30 plus years now that carry a wealth of information. And as you can imagine, as a new employee, it's very, very difficult to absorb all of that quickly and make sense of it all. But the team does a really, really good job of that. I've been directly involved with the purchasing team, with engineering, among many other individuals, and have had the chance to not only work on managing projects upon being awarded work, but also being involved with the design and with our customers as well. GMB's touches on very different parts of the mill. We primarily focus on the finishing end, so think of your entry trough, exit trough, cooling bed. We also love to dabble in some reverse engineering, installation of equipment. We have a very, very strong and seasoned mill writing team that is also immensely helpful on site. So as an employee, you get the chance to learn a lot and also be exposed to a lot when you're visiting your customer sites. I've had the chance to work on projects ranging from much of what I said: rebuilds, new installations, smaller jobs, spare parts, drop-in components, full cooling bed installations. And what makes it even better is that, we get to follow up with our customers when it comes to service after. So as a project manager, you're working with a small team that takes care of the quote, takes care of the installation, takes care of the after support and care, and you get to utilize so many of your different skills that you would have learned throughout your career. So as an employee of GMB, think of us as your one-stop small family, in a sense, that you can join, feel comfortable, feel welcomed, and learn so much in such a short period of time and advance your career in the steel industry if that's what you're interested in doing.